Hello friends, it's me again Darren. Welcome back to my channel. So this time around, I'm going to bring you another interesting topic on how can you use our property to hedge against inflation and at the same time to work towards your retirement goal. So without further ado, let's start. So for fact check number 1, we all know that the life expectancy of humans are getting longer and longer due to the advancement of medical science. And for the article on my right, it says that nearly 2 out of 3 Singaporeans prefer to have their cash in the bank as a way of saving for retirement. For fact check number 2, based on these 2 articles, you can clearly see that Singaporeans are not financially ready or have the mindset to plan for their retirement. So for fact check number 3, I'll cover the retirement sum you need to retire comfortably. So for example, if you want to retire at age 62, with a retirement funds of 2k monthly, they will make up to 24k annually. Based on the life expectancy of a man and woman, you'll be at 83 and 88 currently. And based on your age of retirement, which is 62, you need about 21 years and 26 years of retirement funds before you can retire. That will amount to $500,000 and 600k. So let's say as a couple, you guys will need about 1.1 mil plus. And of course, that's assuming that this couple do not have a kid. So for normal people, they will get a salary job, they will work hard, then at the end of the month, they will get a stable pay. Once they get their pay, they will pay their bills, pay their meals, pay for their comfort lifestyle, and the balance will go into the bank. But what if I tell you that other than working hard, you can work smart together as well? What I mean by that? What I meant is going through passive accumulation. Of course, you can do the same thing monthly by paying your bills, your meals, your comfort, all the way. But instead of putting money in the bank, you can portion it and put some into passive accumulation. And by the number of N years, the funds start to accumulate will go into your retirement funds. So if I were to quote Warren Buffett, he says that if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. I find that this sentence is true because based on the previous generation, they do not know about passive accumulation. Hence, at this juncture, they are still working very hard to cover their daily expenses. We have come to the end of part 1 for this video. Do click the link above for the part 2 of this video.